Welcome to WeConnect, and thank you very much for joining me once again on your weekend show. Justice Vallinayagam is my guest here on the program today. Now, he's been a judge at the Karnataka and the Madras High Court, and he's currently involved as a judge in the Lok Adalat Court, and it's precisely that we're going to talk to him about today. What's it all about? How does it work? Is it effective? And so, sir, thank you very much indeed for joining me on this program.
Thank you.
Now, Lok Adalat, I think the right point to start at is to ask you, how different is it from our normal court process, which is sometimes painful?
We can say normal court is trained by procedures, legal entanglements.
Indeed.
Now, in Lok Adalat, you are free to discuss, free to own the mind of the man, free to settle without any restriction on law. You appeal to the people. See, you go into the court, you are not getting any benefit at all. Benefit in the sense it will take a lot of delay. Why not to settle today? So you can settle it today, and people are coming forward to settle it. We started sometime in 1972, the concept was involved. Then later developed more, and between 1997 to 2000, actually speaking, it was from 1986, 1997, it was slowly growing.
Right.
Now, between 1997 and 2012, you'll be surprised to know we have settled in the Lok Adalat 6,10,554 cases, and we are given benefit of and in cash nearly 3,000 crores
That's
to the litigants.
that's a huge amount of money.
Yes.
Are you trying to tell me here, sir, that the process is that much quicker? When you say quicker, I need to prod you. How much quicker?
See, quicker in the sense, suppose there are two sects. One is before going to court. Actually speaking, there are three matters. One is before going to court, you go to conciliation, and the conciliation try to settle it without any involvement of any money. Then stages you go to court. Suppose you go to court in the initial stage, for example, take accidents claim cases where a man gets into accident, loses his leg, loses his life or something like that. His family wants money, at least for the compensation for running the family. He goes to the motor accident claim tribunal. As soon as he goes there, he says, come on, refer to Lok Adalat. They come before us. As soon as it comes, we will give notice to the insurance company with which the car is insured. We will tell the insurance company, please come and try to settle it. There is a formula for the insurance company. For suppose a man got an accident, what is the disability, what is the age, what is the capacity to earn, and how much suffering he had, how much medical spells he had, how much disability in everything he had, what is the percentage, and how did it affect his earning capacity. Then suppose a death case, who are all the dependents? Normally dependents are his widow, children, and father and mother, not unmarried sister. So what we do is, there is a formula by which the amount has to be. He may claim 10 lakhs. Insurance company says, so that we are prepared to pay 5 lakhs. We will persuade him, sir, take 5 lakhs. And if an award is passed by us, there is no appeal against it, there is the end of it.
that I would think is a very, very useful,
and not only that,
process.
That award money is paid within 6 weeks. You need not have the formulate of filing a petition, going to advocate. You just get the order, after 6 weeks money deposited, you go and present with the court, they immediately give the check and come back.
Right, sir, but can you, and at the Lok Adalat, which of course stands for People's Court, can you actually make sure that this payment is done? Can I come there, promise you and promise a yes, I'll settle? What's the way?
Award means a decree of the court.
Right, okay.
So the decree normally is obeyed because they are also party. Insurance companies before us. 99% they come and pay that. We give one more option. Suppose the money is not paid within 6 weeks, they have got to pay interest on the compensation amount of 7.5%, and they can execute the decree before a court of law. Normally, see, execution means, normally we said, you can go to the court, get any decree, any relief, not result you want. But the result to convert into relief, you have got to execute the order.
Right.
Only when you execute that, you get the benefit on your hands.
Sure.
For such execution, it may take a long time in other matters. At least now you have passed the major problem of getting a result. In the court, 6 years, 7 years, 3 years, 4 years, depending upon so many cases and so many judges is sitting and not sitting. But here, You straight away get a decree on the day you go to court within a matter of maximum 6 months. And once you get a decree, suppose if it does not pay, then you immediately execute and try to get it.
Right. It seems to me from what you're telling me is that the role that you and the other judges at the Lok Adalat actually perform is really one of being persuasive.
Yeah, naturally. See what happens, persuasive in the sense, we tell the people who come to court, see, normally it is not possible humanly to decide all cases in the way in which want to be disposed of.
Right.
For example, a city court or civil court disposes, their target is 50 cases a month. But the filing ratio is 2,000 cases a month. Then the backlog has to be more.
Indeed.
So
yes.
if you go to that, it is not because of anything else. Because if a case has to be heard means, I cannot just say, come on Jennifer, come on, your claim is 2,000, I give you the order, go. I got to inquire you. Yeah. I got to inquire evidence. Yes. I got to see the document. I got to listen, he listen to other man. What is the objection? Then I come to the conclusion and then pass a judgment. So that naturally take time consumption. We have got only 10 to 5 courts. In fact, even after Chief Justice came, he wanted to extend the court beyond working hours. Not only that, in fact, one of the good things he had done was, for family court people working in IIT, family court has become so big today.
Indeed.
And IIT people, to enable them to attend the court, he has put Saturday and Sunday working day for them to appear.
Yes, correct.
So we are trying to reduce the arrears or give the relief to the people. Therefore, here, when we come, we tell all these difficulties to the parties. Sir, you come. What is your claim? Suppose you claim 10,000 on a dishonored check.
Yeah.
See, he says he is not able to pay 10,000. You find out whether he got a money, whether he got a property, whether he got a capacity. Otherwise, he is offering 5,000. Why don't receive 5,000? Be done with it. I give the example. See, if you take 5,000 today, you can immediately go 2 grams of gold today. After 5 years, you can't give half a gram of gold.
That's valid. So here and now is a better thing is what you're saying, right? I want to ask you, in the Lok Adalat, how many judges are actually sitting on each case? Is it just yourself? Are there other people involved?
Yeah.
How does it work?
See, there are district Lok Adalat and High Court Lok Adalat. In the district Lok Adalat, the retired district judge is sitting along with the 2 members.
Okay.
2 members means normally an advocate and a social worker, or a man who is like you, people who are interested in society, they come and sit there and decide it.
Right.
In the High Court Lok Adalat, the retired High Court judge is sitting along with the retired district judge and also one of the advocates. So 3 people sit there and we consult each other and try to tell them, sir, we are 3 people are coming here to settle you.
Right.
Just like the olden days banyan tree disposal, we tell them.
And that was quick.
Not on my,
Swift.
Yes.
Yes.
See, there,
Yes.
see, originally when the Grama Panchayat Act was there, when a decision made by the village man, no appeal.
Indeed.
Now people say, suppose you decide, appeal to the High Court, appeal to the Supreme Court, then again remand back. So many things are coming.
It sometimes can take forever. So I'm going to ask you to hold on. It's time for us to take a very short break here and reconnect, and we'll get right back with you. So please don't go anywhere.